Hi, I'm Dr. Katbi with the UN Office for Outer Space Affairs. We are responsible for promoting international cooperation in the peaceful uses of outer space. The OOSA is also responsible for maintaining the United Nations Register of Objects Launched into Outer Space, and this registry was established in 1962. Since the Convention on Registration of Objects Launched into Outer Space entered into force in 1976, another register of launchings has been established for information received from member states and intergovernmental organizations that are parties to the Convention. Recently, several observatories in the Northern Hemisphere have contacted us regarding an object in orbit that had not been previously registered. One such detection came from the UT McDonald Observatory, located in the heart of West Texas. Let's speak now to Dr. Spivey, a space debris analyst.
While observing a well-monitored patch of sky at 54 degrees of inclination, a team of analysts detected a previously undetected signal. Considering that something may have been wrong with our equipment, we contacted several of our sister observatories and they confirmed our findings. The signal properties showed us that it seemed to be made of something highly metallic and not an icy or rocky body that could be identified as an asteroid. After more observations of its properties and orbits, we concluded that it must be an artificial satellite. We reported this finding to United Nations Office for Outer Space Affairs, and they checked the registry and found no corresponding object listed.
Artificial satellites have some very special orbital paths. Many satellites do not remain in orbits indefinitely. Their orbits gradually decay and they enter the Earth's atmosphere. The object's distance from the surface of the Earth is directly related to when it will fall out of orbit. How do we classify objects in orbit in terms of when they will fall? How do we as scientists determine whether or not this particular object orbiting the Earth will impact the Earth's surface in the near future? For satellites in low Earth orbits, it may take years or tens of years to return to Earth. Higher Earth orbit satellites are less concerned because they can stay in orbit much longer, hundreds or even thousands of years. There are also many objects that fall between these two regions and are currently orbiting the Earth in what is referred to as a medium Earth orbit. The best known of these are GPS satellites.
Now that you have discovered the regions defined by a lower Earth orbit, a medium Earth orbit, and a high Earth orbit, it is necessary for us to ask the question: is this unregistered object a danger? At what altitudes above the Earth's surface is it currently orbiting? In order to accomplish this goal, we need to contact our sister observatories to determine the satellite's height or orbital position above the Earth's surface. It is your job to research the information that the other observatories have gathered about this object to determine whether or not it will impact the Earth.